What if I told you that just rupees 5,000 a month, the price of a few restaurant meals, could make you a crorepati? No lottery, no shortcuts, no luck. Just one simple habit. Start it today. Stay with me for the next 8 minutes and I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step with real numbers. Here is something no one tells you in school. Most people work for 30 to 40 years and still retire with almost nothing. Not because they didn't earn enough, but because of three dangerous mistakes. Mistake number one, they wait. They say I'll start investing when I earn more, but that day never comes. Mistake number two, they invest once in a while when they feel like it. No system, no discipline. Mistake number three, they don't understand how money grows, so they quit too early. If any of this sounds familiar to you, this video is for you because today we are going to fix all these three mistakes. So, what's the solution? It's called a SIP, a systematic investment plan. SIP is simply this: you invest a fixed amount like rupees 5,000 every single month into a mutual fund. That's it. Now, why is SIP so powerful? Three reasons. First, discipline. The money is auto debited. You don't have to think about it. It invests before you even can spend it. Second, rupee cost averaging. When market goes down, your rupees 5,000 buys more units. When markets go up, your investments grow. Over time, this averages out your cost and reduces your risk. Third, and this is the big one, compounding. This is where the real magic happens. Your returns earn returns. Your money makes money even while you're asleep. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And when you see the numbers, you will understand why. Let's talk numbers because this is where your jaw gonna drop. Assume you invest rupees 5,000 every month in a well diversified equity mutual fund. History shows us that a good mutual fund delivers 12% to 15% annual returns over the long term. We will use a conservative 12% to be safe. Now, watch what happens over time. In 26 years, not 50, not 60, just 26 years, your investment crosses rupees 1 crore. Let's think about that. You put in rupees 15.7 lakhs of your own money and the market grows it to over rupees 1 crore. That's over rupees 84 lakhs in pure profit. And that from just rupees 5,000 monthly habit. That's not a trick. That's not a promise. That's mathematics. That's compounding. And the best part, you can start this habit today with just rupees 5,000 and scale up as your income grows. If you want to start your SIP today, I have linked my recommended investment platform in the description below. It takes less than 10 minutes to set up. I will also link a free SIP calculator so you can run your own numbers. Notice something very important here. In the first 5 years, growth looks slow. You might feel discouraged. But look at what happens from year 15 to year 26. This same rupees 5,000 is now generating thousands of rupees every single month just through returns. The money has started working harder than you ever could. This is the acceleration effect of compounding. It's slow at first, then suddenly it explodes. This is why people who quit early after 5 or 7 years never see the real magic. Stay invested. Don't stop. Don't redeem early. The three wealth rules of SIP. Rule number one, start early. Every year you delay costs you lakhs, not thousands. A 25-year-old who starts a SIP will create almost twice the wealth of a 35-year-old investing the same amount. Time is your most valuable asset here. Rule number two, stay consistent. Skip 1 month, then another, then stop during a market crash, and you have broken the chain. SIP only works when it's automatic and unstoppable. Set it, forget it, and let it grow. Rule number 3: stay invested for the long term. Markets will crash. They always do, but they always recover and go higher. Investors who panic and exit always lose. Investors who stay patient, they win. So, start early, stay consistent, and stay invested. Okay, now that you know why to invest, let me show you how to start. 3 simple steps. Step 1: open an investment account. Download a trusted investment app like Grow, Zerodha Coin. Complete your KYC, it's all online and takes about 10 minutes. Then link your bank account. Step number 2: choose a mutual fund. For beginners, I recommend starting with a Nifty 50 index fund or a large cap equity mutual fund. These are diversified, low cost, and historically reliable. Check the link in the description. I have shared my personal recommendations there. Step 3: set up your monthly SIP. Choose rupees 500 or rupees 1000 or say rupees 5000 if you can. And set the auto debit date. Done. You are now a wealth builder. Not sure which fund to pick? I have put together a beginner friendly guide called the 3S Wealth SIP Starter Pack. It includes my top fund recommendations, a SIP calculator spreadsheet, and a personal finance tracker. The link is in the description. It's designed for complete beginners just like this video. Now, here's a bonus tip that will completely change your wealth trajectory. It's called a Step Up SIP. Every year, when you get your salary increment, increase your SIP by just 10%. So in year 1, you invest rupees 5000 a month, in year 2, rupees 5500, and in year 3, rupees 6050, and then so on. This tiny annual increase can potentially cut your time to rupees 1 crore from 26 years to just 20 years. You reach your goal faster without feeling a pinch of it because the increase aligns with your growing income. Grow your SIP as you grow. That's wealth building made simple. So, let's bring it all together. Rupees 5000 a month, 12% annual returns, 26 years over rupees 1 crore. Not luck, not a speculation, not risk, just discipline, time, and the unstoppable power of compounding. The real question is not whether you can build rupees 1 crore. The question is, will you start today or will you start when it's too late? Every month you delay is a month of compounding you will never get back. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with smart investing, do let me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. On this channel 3S Wealth, we break down complex investing and money concepts into simple, actionable steps so you can invest smart, manage your money better, and build the wealth you deserve. The SIP calculator, fund recommendations, and the 3S Wealth Starter Pack are all linked in the description below. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep growing.